Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. A bit of breaking news for you guys, right? Concerning the omission of Kemar Roofe out of the Jamaican World Cup qualifying squad. Smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel as well. These are both free and easy ways to support the channel. So now many of us wouldn't have been happy, right, to see the squad drop and one of the players not included in the squad was Kemar Roofe. Obviously, he was one of the noticeable absentees. Now, when we saw the omission of Kemar Roofe, many initially the thought would have been, okay, the player just coming back from injury, we understand. But then when you think about it, Kevin Stewart just came back from an injury. Liam Moore, many of us, including myself, did not even know that Liam Moore was fit and was in a position where he could play any of the World Cup, the upcoming World Cup qualification games. As a matter of fact, the player hasn't played for his club for some time. Now, Paul Hall has spoken, guys, as to why Kemar Roofe is not in the squad, and I'm going to read it to you guys in just a sec, I know the commitment police is going to be out right now. The commitment police is going to be out right now. And I don't know, I don't like this whole questioning players' commitment thing. Honestly, you don't feel right. And not only does it not feel right, but I think it's unfair because it's just complete speculation. Because I cannot speak to Kemar Roofe's subjective intentions. I cannot read the player's mind, right? But with that being said, I am disappointed with Roofe opting out, and I am also I'm even more disappointed with Shamar Boza Nicholson. I expected better from Boza, right? And I do expect better from Kemar Roofe as well. But I'm going to read the article now. It's on MSN, right? Kemar Roofe opts in for Rangers and out of Jamaica clashes over fitness push. Jamaica, and this is on MSN, guys. Jamaica, and you guys know MSN is a massive network, right? Massive credible network. Jamaica boss Paul Hall has revealed he passed on calling up Kemar Roofe for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers at the Rangers strikers' insistence. Ibrox fans were worried they could lose their frontman who returned from injury with a sub appearance against Stirling Albion in the Scottish Cup on Friday night. But the Reggae Boyz 23-man squad select published on Sunday night excluded Roofe in favor of other attackers such as West Ham's Mikel Antonio, Andre Gray of Queen's Park Rangers, and Fulham's Bobby Reid, plus other North American-based frontmen. That comes after Roofe told Hall he wanted to stay in Glasgow to work on fully recovering from his recent injury. Guys, hit me up in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this. At least this is a better excuse, in my opinion, than Shamar Nicholson, right? I'll continue, and the article goes on to quote Paul Hall, right, in terms of quote his words, what the new gaffer Paul Hall actually said, right? In November, Rufus, all right, that's not important. All right. Hall told Record Sport Kemar would have, and this is quoting Paul Hall now, Kemar would have been one of the first names on my list. However, Kemar had indicated that he needs to fully recover from his last injury, hence his absence from the squad. The Jamaica announcement came just hours before Joe. All right, that part isn't important either. Right, so that's it. That's basically it. Again, Kemar would have been one of the first names on my list. However, Kemar had indicated that he needs to fully recover from his last injury, hence his absence from the squad. So that's it. That's why Kemar Roofe is not in the current Reggae Boyz squad for the upcoming fixtures. 3 do or die fixtures for the Reggae Boyz. 3 games that the Reggae Boyz have to win. I mean, I said this about Boz and I'm saying it about Roofe. It is very disappointing that these players are opting out of 3 massive games for the Reggae Boyz. 3 massive games for the Reggae Boyz. I don't understand it. The player played about half an hour in the cup game against Sterling Albion. He played almost half an hour. Right round about half an hour. So I don't understand. When Paul Hall says, let me find it again. Kemar had indicated that he needs to fully recover from his last injury. How is he playing games for club, but yet still he's not fully recovered? I don't understand that. Right? I mean, this is not a good look in my humble opinion. I'm sorry. This is just not a good look. Right? How is he playing games for club, but yet still he's not fully fit? And I don't even know how that is possible, but let's say he's not fully fit. If he can play games for club, he must can play games for country too. Despite not being fully fit. I don't know. I don't know. Let me show you guys how this news is being received in Scotland, for instance. And this is Football Scotland. And the headline on Football Scotland reads, Kemar Roofe shows Rangers dedication as Jamaica boss reveals striker asked to be excluded from international duty. Right? So this is how this news is being received across the pond. The Herald, the headline on the Herald reads, Rangers ace Kemar Roofe free to play Celtic after Jamaica omission. And that big Celtic game, that Old Firm derby, that big rivalry between Celtics and Rangers. That game, that derby game, is scheduled to be played on the 2nd of February. Now, that is how this news is being received across the pond. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, we know that clubs are not too pleased about players going on international duty. They are trying to, convince or trying to persuade players not to go, allegedly. We hear players say that clubs are, Andre Gray did an interview. We covered that story a while back, right? So, is this pressure from the club? Gray would have said that, we covered that interview with what Gray said, how the club treats call up from Jamaica. Is this pressure from the club so the player can be available for this big game, right? The two big forwards, I think Morales, if I'm not mistaken, got called up for his national team as well. So I guess they didn't want their 2 big forwards being out at one time. Morales is what, a Colombian international? Right? Is Colombia? I forget where Colombia is in CONMEBOL right now. Aren't they in a position where they are still like seriously in the hunt to qualify for the World Cup? I forget. Well, I don't remember. I forget exactly where they are in their qualifiers right now. But I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just not a good look when players are turning down call-ups, man. No, this is the second player that has turned down a call-up for this particular window. Right? Not a good look. Not a good look. But guys, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. I don't know if the club is pressuring the player, Probably the player genuinely feels like he's not fully back as yet, right? And probably, I mean, the players, they know their bodies, they know what their bodies can handle from what their bodies can't handle. Probably he doesn't feel like his body can handle, a trip across the Atlantic, thousands of miles, right? To come to Jamaica and also to go to Panama as well and to go back and play 3 games. Probably he doesn't think his body can handle it. I don't know. I don't know if the club is pressuring him. I don't know what the situation is, but this is what Paul Hall is saying that Kemar Roofe would have indicated to him. So Paul Hall did not leave him out of the squad. Kemar Roofe asked to have been left out. But guys, hit me in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about this, right? Hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about this. So guys, stay safe, take care, have a productive week, guys. Have a productive week and stay safe throughout the week, guys. Take care and until next time.